Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your anatomy final. Begin by creating a structured study schedule, allocating specific times for each system. Don't wait until the last minute. Consistent, spaced repetition is far more effective. Focus on understanding concepts rather than just memorizing facts. This approach will build a stronger foundation for your knowledge and reduce stress as the exam approaches. Visual learning is absolutely crucial for mastering anatomy. Spend dedicated time with anatomical models, physically touching and identifying each structure. Drawing diagrams from memory, labeling everything you know, helps solidify your understanding of relationships and locations. Additionally, online resources, like detailed 3D videos, can provide dynamic views of complex systems. This multisensory approach significantly enhances retention and makes complex information much easier to recall. Studying with peers can be an incredibly beneficial strategy for your anatomy final. Form a small study group to discuss challenging areas and clarify any doubts you might have. Explaining complex concepts to someone else is a powerful way to test your own knowledge and identify any gaps in your understanding. You can also quiz each other on structures, functions, and clinical correlations, making the learning process more interactive and engaging for everyone involved. On the day before your anatomy final, prioritize getting adequate rest over last-minute cramming. A well-rested mind performs significantly better under pressure. Do a light review of your most challenging topics, but avoid intense, stressful study sessions. During the exam itself, read each question thoroughly and carefully, paying close attention to all keywords. Manage your time effectively and don't dwell too long on any single question. Trust in your preparation and stay calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.